Hey guys, so today I'm going to let my chickens out. Well, not my chickens, but like my family's chickens, all of our chickens out and just play around with a bit. I'm going to let them all out because they get very unhappy if one of them is allowed out and the others aren't. So I'm going to let them out for being so good. They really like this. Just saying, this channel will be about all my 8 lovely chickens. Goldie, Snowy or Snow, Luna, or Lucy. So Goldie's this goldish one here. Snowy or Snow is this white one over here. And then this brown one is called Lucy. And this one right here is called Flashy. The ginger one is called Donna. The grey one is called, I forgot her name. Oh, let me just forget. Tika. Yeah, Tika. I think it's Tika. Yeah. And then this one is called May. Sorry, no. May. Well, she has a nickname Maisie, but her name is May. And then where is the last one? Here we go. We have Summer. We used to have 9 chickens. Summer, another one called June. It used to look like Summer, but then June died. Very sadly. I'm not going to explain why. But every time we look at Summer, it reminds us of June as well. Yeah. Sorry that this might not entertain you. This isn't for entertainment really. It's just about my chickens because I love them so much and I want them to be remembered one day. I'm going to try and offer them some food. Does anybody want some food? They love the grass. I'm going to sprinkle the food. Just saying, if you're wondering why we built this area, it's so if we let them out, they don't wander off. Because they are known for running off. Running off. Sorry, I keep stuttering today. And especially Flashy over here. Just saying, I did not make up all these names, my family did as well. Flashy over here. You like to run away, don't you? You will not run away this time. I don't know why, but they are really enjoying this. I can tell because they are running around like crazy. Whoa, no fighting. Sorry about that, guys. You have to make sure the chickens don't fight because Goldie, Summer and Snowy or Snow, whichever the name is called, are new. Like, we got them a couple of weeks ago. Actually, no, we got them last year. But then Lucy, Flashy, Donna and Tika, we got them in 2020. Oh yeah, and May over here, we got her. Yeah, we got her at the. I have just lost my words now. Let me think what I was about to say. Oh yeah, she joined our lovely family in the end of 2020 or the start of 2021. Yeah, like around the start of or the middle of 2021. But then Goldie Snowy or Snow, and Summer, we got them at the end of 2021. So they do get into a bit of arguments sometimes. If you want to see a close-up in it, I mean, sorry, not in this video, I will show you. They look so happy. Sorry this vlog is long. Yes. So, oh yeah, sorry that I keep apologising. I got a better view of them. Ow. I just landed funny. So that's them in their chicken coop. I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.